Was seniors Ghana Premier League Matchday 20 no abawie na league table no ewa ha fixtures results ewa ha goal king race ni nyina ewa ha mede bro eofie ha Kumasi Asante Kotoko drop akoro third position. Yes, na Aduana Stars and Overtake Kumasi Asante Kotoko ewo second position or Samates remain still as the league leaders. Bibia ewa ha mede bro eofie ampacho wa ha ye super 24 TV unsubscribe ya wadaroma na wa hit subscribe button no snow about them so na ya build it together information ni nyina no the Ghana Premier League football onsem nko ade a obenya no efie ya wadaroma meda asese wa ya amame Matchday 20 results no eno nie Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye nyina ye nim se oko Karela ekolusu by goal to nil na Accra Lions echi brekum Chelsea share no 5-0 and na Nations FC any media ma 1-1 baby any goal star say Great Olympics 3-0 Aduana and na oche Lagos Cities ewofie share no 1-0 insua treman etna fie ma Dreams FC ekoshe mu 2-0 and na Bechem United share league leaders Samates by 1-0 and na ma Samates entimi Einstein dey omu lead so as it speak now Samates for no 35 points no ehwa no mugina yes and that screen so no Samates about 20 games or 35 points o lead Aduana about 19 games and okra 33 points wa be Kotoko free o and Asante Kotoko about 20 games also okra 32 points with third position. Fourth position Nations FC the draw now boy no more than fourth position with 31 points. Insua Treman ewo 30 points. 6 Brekum Chelsea 30 points and a 7th Bechem United on also ekra 29 points. Accra House of Folk phobia nyam moye muntira mo hye no so phobia or about 19 games echina one bofo akwa game no Monday and on Bebo Monday about no miensa and a sa game no baso na ohe ase ho na Real Tamale United about 20 games ono 18 points and above akwata no 19 points ono so da 17th and 16th for no ye Heart of Lions ono so kra 21 points. Let's say we no untimi nka se omobeko relegation because points gap no ohwa very close. The other 12 Lagos Cities 25, the other 13 Baby Go Stars 24 and Accra Lions or no Kumasi Asante Kotoko next game or 24 points and Karela or 23 points. Let's say 23 and 18 there, but say 2 points difference per goal king race no or free Ghana Premier League no Mr. Stone Obi Antonchi 9 na Isaac Minta 9 Okra 9 Hamza Isa Accra of Folk 8 Mukwala opportunity by say on extend but you call Karela no ntimi anhye go nti oda so gina 8 and Musa Samates 8 Eje enso wa Aduana was 7 Banye what's in a free was 7 and this guy Prince Usu Kobna ono so eda 7 no but that se unimidi kasubu highly super